Hey, what's up? It's Emily from Make Tech Work for You, and today I am torn. I am so torn. I got this email from Zapier, one of my absolute favorite softwares. I love the company and I love the actual product, what Zapier does. And when I saw this, initially I think I should have said like, woo, chance to win 25K. That's what I want. But National No Code Day. National No Code Day. All right. Why are we celebrating no code? Why are we celebrating that click and no code, that drag and drop option? I think we're celebrating it because that means people don't have to learn programming languages to be able to do some of the stuff that used to be only available to a programmer. And that's cool. I get that. Listen, I am a huge user of no code. I'm all about using the no code. But. First of all, someone did the code, okay? The code is there. It's not no code. There is code behind every no code platform. How does Zapier work? Because people have written the code. They've written it in a way that you as the user are able to take options and they can plug the options that you've chosen into their existing code to make work what you're asking to make work. So I kind of almost feel like this is, I get the celebration for me, I'm not a programmer and I'm using Zapier and I'm doing things with all this stuff that could be cool. And before it was only available to someone who knew a programming language. And now I'm part of the game, part of the party. But it also feels a little bit rude to the people who actually are doing the coding. And is it our goal to have a group of people know coding and that's it? It's like a closed off circle sort of. You need to get the key and the education to get in and then you're suddenly a coder and now you don't get celebrated because it's no code day and you're a coder now. No, I don't think so. I think we have the wrong relationship right now in this clicks over code kind of thing. It sets the wrong example of saying that as if there is no code, all right? And if you listen to me talk, I'm all about getting in on the foundations and the basics. Like, please understand your spreadsheets as you try to understand databases. Please understand databases as you're trying to understand CRMs. But just more than that, I think it also is a little bit like challenging to say, don't learn this new thing. Just do the click over code. Don't try to learn programming. Don't try to learn code. No. Learning's one of my main core values, and nobody's going to tell me that there's some people who can code and some people who can't. It is vitally important for people to understand the basics of the technology that makes our world run right now. And coding is such a lucrative position. It really can open doors. It not just in terms of how much money you can make or what jobs are open to you, but what you can do. What you can do for your mission, what you can do for social justice. If you know programming, it opens that door that you can do with that. These are tools at our disposal. We should be using as many tools as we can. It's great to rely on other people who have those skill sets and work from your strengths, all of that. But I don't want to get the message that we shouldn't be learning this or we should close it off or just celebrate this false empire of no code. Well, that was a lot of rant. Mostly just to say, yes, it is great that we can do a lot of this clicking and be part of what used to be closed off to only programmers. I love being a part of it. But I think what we should celebrate is the relationship and collaboration between the non-coders and the coders. We'll all get a lot more done if we play together and celebrate each other.